Hello, everybody. My name is David Felipe Durango. I hope you are very well. And today I want to tell you about my experience on the trip that I had a couple of months ago. On this trip, I went with my parents and my brothers and my sister to Cartagena. We were visiting Cartagena de Indias. Cartagena is a very beautiful city where there are nice people and many activities to do. I went with my family. We enjoyed delicious seafood dishes together. They were very delicious. Also, we had a bad experience because my brother got sick with the food. However, this was an incredible trip because we did many activities on the beach. A tourist took us to the most important places, and we had a big problem because my younger sister got lost on the beach. So we decided to ask people for help. That was terrible, and we were very scared. But when we found her, we went to a big party on the beach where there were many people and it was a nice atmosphere for everyone. This has been the best trip in all my life. That was really amazing. I could enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed my short story, guys. Thank you so much. See you later.